compiling, after that linking, after that executing. Okay, so link will be done at the time of run the program. So whenever it is linked to the program after conversion, so whenever it sees a printf and scanf, so already the printf and scanf are predefined in the studio.h file. Means the functions related to printf scanf are already stored in studio.h library function. So the processor will goes to that library function library and get the code and execute the program. So those are all the predefined data types. It's a predefined functions. Printf, scanf for the predefined functions. So those are not the user defined functions. So if already stored in the files means those are the predefined. Now start with main. Void main. Now initialize the variables int a comma b comma c. So I'm making three variables. Here I'm going to write a program for adding two numbers and the result will be stored in another variable. Just integer variables I'm taking int a comma b comma c. Okay. So just write CLR SCR. Why I'm writing CLR SCR? Because if you write this, whenever you're executing the program, the output screen will be cleared. Okay, so whatever the previous output already there and whatever the previous programs that you typed on the screen, so that everything will be cleared and your program output will be present on the screen. So just write CLRS here so that you can able to see your exact output clearly on the screen. Now let's write the printf. So here I'm just entering the values. Enter a just enter the value a. Let me write enter the value a. So these values should be entered from keyboard. So this printf is only able to print whatever we are writing here in the within the quotations that will be appeared on the screen. So after printf you want to read the value from keyboard. So write scanf. Scanf %d. Why I am writing %d? Because it is integer value. Integer means %d. If it is a float, %f. If it is a string, you have character %c. Like that. So scanf %d and ampersand a. Why I am writing ampersand a? Because ampersand a is a particular memory location. In that memory location, whatever the value we are entering from the keyboard, that value will be stored in ampersand a location. Again read another value printf. Enter the value b. So now write scanf %d and ampersand b. So in that location value will be stored. That b value will be stored in ampersand b location. So after that you need to add a and b and the result will be stored in c. So that you have to be. So let me make one mistake so that you will understand the sum of the sum is, let me write sum is %d. Just you have to print value c, get ch, close the main program. So try to compile the program. So after running, before compiling you need to save the file. So just save the file by clicking on the file. So just clicking on the file, just save as. So there you need to type a file name. Just add .c. Now the file is saved with a file name add.c. Now you need to compile the program. So for compiling, what will be the options? Shortcut key for the compiling is Alt plus F5. So why are compiling? Actually, whatever the language that we are written, that language should be converted into machine level language so that the processor can understand what we have written on the screen. So that will be converted by using the compiling. So compiling is going to transfer all high level language to machine level language. Okay, here they are showing no errors and the warning. So just enter. So actually error was there, but here it is showing no errors because it is only converting the all the files into, means whatever the language using that into machine level language. So it will be now after compiling you need to run the program. So running means you can enter Control F9. The shortcut for run the program is Control F9. Okay, so here it is showing one error. Why it is not showing the error in compiling, but it is showing the error in link the program? So what is the problem? Because, so let's see where the error was. So it's showing the linking error. What is linking error? Undefined symbol printf in module add.c. So there is an undefined symbol. So just see here. So this is here I written printf. Because while linking the program, so I already written the studio.h. So in this studio.h library function, all the predefined scanf, printf, already the names are declared and the functions are already stored. So whenever I write the printf, the processor, after compiling the linking, it's for the link files already which are present in the library function, but whatever the function we have written is not matching to the function already existed, so that's why it's showing an error. Okay, so if your print means it's already predefined function, if you are given one name to that, exactly the name should be like that only. Okay, so even the spelling mistakes are also not accepted. If your name is spelled like, means written like this, means exactly it should be like that only, otherwise it is not related to yours. If your spelling mistake is there in your name, it's not related to yours. So that in the same way, so whatever the function that is there, that should be predefined, that has to be. So now again save the program. Try to save the program. Again you need to compile the program. First save the program, compile the program, check where there are no errors. So if there are no errors, again you just run the program. So the run the program, you can directly click on mouse and enter, otherwise you go for the Control F9. So after Control F9 it's showing there are no errors. So now enter the value A. I'm entering. Here you can observe the screen here appearing is a cleared screen, the clear output screen you got, because you are entered CRSCR function. If you remove that function, already previous matter and where the program is stored,